Hello, my name is Jannika. I am your German teacher. Today I'd like to teach you about the German masculine article der. There are two parts, so please make sure to watch both parts and to have fun with the videos. Okay, let's get started with the German article der. Pronunciation der. Der. So, how can we know that a noun is male or female or neutral? In many cases, we have to look it up in the dictionary. Just an example is der Tisch, the table, or der Stuhl, the chair. But we also do have some suffixes and some semantic groups which help us to define the article. Today I'd like to explain you the suffixes. So the first suffix you need to know is ling. Example giving der Liebling, which will be in English the darling. Another example would be der Frühling, spring. If you see any noun with that suffix, you can be sure that's masculine. Second example for male suffixes is the suffix ismus. Example giving der Kapitalismus. Maybe you already understood the word, the capitalism, der Kapitalismus. And here, dear English speakers, you do have an advantage because the same suffix exists in English. Capitalism, Kapitalismus. Yeah, so there is an English equivalent. Another example is der Kommunismus, the communism, and so far and so on. Okay, and yeah, last example, which is a little bit tricky because there are many exceptions, is the suffix er. So, example giving der Arbeiter, the worker, or der Wasserkocher, the water boiler, I guess you say in English, or that thing with which you can heat up water. Der Wasserkocher, also male. But we need to be aware of the exceptions. There are some exceptions. Example giving. Das Zimmer is neutral. So, we have to keep that in mind. So this was part 1 of masculine article or nouns, and yeah, maybe you can find some more examples. Yeah, put your examples in the comments. Yeah? Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Yeah, and maybe you could give me a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.